In English, a phrase expresses a single idea, but it's incomplete, like saying flying through the sky. Sounds exciting, right? But something's missing. Who is flying? Now take this. The bird was flying through the sky. That's a full sentence because it has both a subject and a verb. In math, we have a similar structure. We use expressions and equations. In our last video, we learned how to write math expressions using numbers and operations like addition. If you haven't watched it yet, feel free to check it out before we proceed. A math expression is like an English phrase. It shows part of an idea, but not a full statement. For example, 4 plus 6. In this video, we'll go one step further. We'll learn how to write equations, which are like complete sentences in math. By the end of this video, learners will be able to write math equations in the form of addend plus addend equals sum. An equation is like a complete sentence. It links two expressions with an equal sign, just like a verb connects parts of a sentence. For example, 4 plus 6 is equal to 10. Now we have a full math sentence. 4 and 6 are the addends. 10 is the sum. In other words, 4 is a part, 6 is a part, and 10 is the whole. If you're unsure about the concept of wholes and parts, feel free to check out our video on that topic. The link is in the description below. Now that you understand what an equation is, let's explore different representations and real-world scenarios. Jack went to the bakery. He bought 6 donuts, 4 jam-filled and 2 strawberry-filled. How many donuts did he buy in total? From the pictorial representation, we can see that the whole is 6, and the parts are 4 and 2. Now let's write some math equations to represent this situation. There are 4 different ways we can write the equation. 6 equals 2 plus 4. 6 equals 4 plus 2. 2 plus 4 equals 6, and 4 plus 2 equals 6. Each one shows the same relationship between the parts and the whole. In these equations, 2 is an addend, 4 is an addend, and 6 is the sum. These equations show that the numbers can be added in any order. This is called the commutative property of addition. Let's try another real-world example. It's Mara's birthday, and she gets some brand new toys. She receives 4 dolls and 5 balls. How many toys did she receive in total? Let's represent this using math equations. 9 equals 4 plus 5. 9 equals 5 plus 4. 4 plus 5 equals 9, and 5 plus 4 equals 9. Each one shows the same relationship between the parts and the whole. In these equations, 4 is an addend, 5 is an addend, and 9 is the sum. Let's see what's next in store for us. Keep going. You're doing great. Mother Duck is at the park with her 7 ducklings. There are 2 ponds in the park. If the ducklings split up and play in the ponds, how many could be at each pond? We can think of the number 7 as a whole, and we can split it into 2 parts in different ways. Here are some possible equations to show how the ducklings could be playing. 7 equals 4 plus 3, 7 equals 3 plus 4. 4 plus 3 equals 7, and 3 plus 4 equals 7. Each equation shows the same idea. 4 ducklings at one pond, 3 ducklings at the other, and 7 ducklings in total. As you guessed, 4 is an addend, 3 is an addend, and 7 is the sum. Great job following along with today's lesson. Now, let's see how well you understood the concept. Here's a picture of some kitchenware that Sam bought. He purchased some teapots and teacups. 3 students wrote equations to show how many kitchenware Sam bought. Khalid writes, 6 plus 3 equals 9. Alisa writes, 4 plus 5 equals 9. Aravind writes, 9 equals 3 plus 6. Who is correct? Can you explain why? Pause the video and think about it. Got it? Let's check your answer together. Khalid and Aravind are both correct. Why? Because 6 represents the teacups and 3 represents the teapots. Together, they make 9 kitchenware in total. 6 and 3 are the addends. 9 is the sum. Elisa's equation is mathematically correct, but it doesn't match the numbers in the picture. so her answer doesn't accurately represent the situation. Wow, we covered a lot today. You learned how to turn real-world situations into math equations. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss out on more fun learning videos. See you next time.